Okay.
Det sitter nå på puben før kampen. Vi har et pub på game. De Ramsla versus National.
And we are supporting National today.
Actually, I'm pretty sober now, but
yeah. Well, that's it. But the beer is Patricia, which is Eurofoan beer. Cerveza. Noventa pesos, which is 90 pesos. British pounds, that would be about £3, just over £3, I think. Well, this is a nice wee bar, because this is the nearest one to the stadium that actually serves alcohol. Can you believe that? Before the match. We went into another one and they all say no alcohol, all the shops are shut because it's match day and they don't want any violence, so they were pretty close to the National Stadium there. Some of the hardcore arrived. And it's a big day for National. If they win the league. If they cancel, they'll also win. So, see what happens.